Hello and welcome to the complete Android 11 developer course. My name is Mashur and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a full-time programming instructor with hundreds of thousands of students on multiple platforms with thousands of 5-star ratings here on Udemy. I've been teaching online for over 5 years and I've had multiple category-leading courses during that time. In this course, we'll learn how to build apps using the latest version of Android, which is Android 11. We'll build these apps using Android Studio and launch them right from the studio using the Android emulator. So don't worry, no paid hardware, phones, or other software is required for this course. Everything we'll work with is completely free to use. There's also no prior programming experience necessary to take this course. We'll build our apps using the Kotlin programming language, which is very easy to learn and use, and we'll learn it incrementally as the needs of our apps require. In terms of the apps themselves, we'll start off with some basic layouts and functionality and build on them with images and animation, build games like tic-tac-toe along the way, and move on to building our own custom adapters and working with services like Google's Firebase for real-time data storage and more. So I hope you're just as excited to get going as I am. Without further delay, let's jump right in.